When you enter the DMP camp,
When I entered the DMP, I thought it was like we were wearing heels and we're just gonna walk, but it was the other way. It was like we had to stretch our legs so hard that we have to sacrifice our knees for it.
so what is the most hardest experience inside DMP
I
practice?
think it was the one that we use the book in our head that we have to balance it. It was like we have to stay still.
Okay, may book sa ulo. Okay. And now, okay na. Okay na sa'yo yung training. Hindi ka na ba nahihirapan? Hindi, okay na ba sa'yo yung mga binibigay na mga